Hello! If you're interested in a vending machine that sells wine or champagne, the XY Vending Machine seems like a perfect choice. Depending on the products sold by customers, XY Vending Machine can customize product aisles of different sizes. Product aisle type, push type aisle. XY Vending Machine supports the installation of a local payment system and currency, and also accept a variety of payment methods. The lifting system has a limiting structure to protect product gentle delivery. Cheers!